It's bingo. Heading out from the store today. We're going to go to the Dennison Yard, I think it's called. It's a pizza place. It's up by a railroad museum. I wanted to check that out, see what that's like. And looks like a nice little place to eat. Hey, it's another nice day to ride.
Continue for half a mile.
That's what we do for Project Ride More. Stop by and sign up. Give you some more places to go ride to this summer. This is for the people that don't like open grate bridges, like me. I've never been a fan of these. I don't like to go across them.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto West Virginia 2 South.
But it is what it is. And sometimes it's just destiny that you just have to do it. So you just get on them, keep steady. Anyways, this is Tappan Lake. They have a marina, a marina. They also have a new marina place too that they built. We're hoping to, I'll stop here at some point. But Tappan Lake's a long lake, nice place. A lot of people boat fish. I think there's a lot of crappie in here. They like to fish. I see people water ski here, things like that. But it's a nice ride by the lake. We just stopped at the Dennison Yard, had some lunch right down there. Got trains here, trains there, trains there. Trains go all the way down. We got tons of pictures, tons of pictures. If you've never come to this place, it's not that expensive. It's a nice place to come in. They have a little cafe they're working on. Hope they get some ice cream in there or something nice. A lot of historical stuff in this little town. It's right off 800, easy to get to. Definitely someplace you might want to come check out. All right, another place for you to hit when you hit Project Ride More. Thanks for watching. Hey, we'll see you down the road.